You can get your 4,000 watch hour using shorts. I know a lot of you are already thinking that, how can I get my 4,000 watch hour using shorts? I thought YouTube only counts views for monetization of shorts and not the watch hour. No, there's a lot of information flying right out there. The watch hour gotten from shorts is not counted towards monetization. Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can actually get your 4,000 watch hour using shorts. Yes. And also, as we go along in this video, this one is actually optional if you are interested. If not, maybe after I'm done with the explanation of how you can get your 4,000 watch hour using shorts, you can just like go. But if you're interested in the second one, then you can stay to watch, because second one is not really related to this YouTube space right here. The second thing I want to talk about is I want to be doing a live pregnancy test. I know, right? You guys are thinking, why are you doing a live pregnancy test? Okay. That's because I see you guys as family and I would want to carry you guys along and I want to document everything. Yes. In my first baby, I was not able to document, but in this particular one, if it is positive, I want to document and I want to carry you guys along, alongside talking about YouTube growth. I want to be talking about that, alongside. I don't want to be creating a separate YouTube channel yet, but I might as we go along for stuff like that. But maybe for now, I'll just be mixing both together. So you just watch the part that you're interested in. Then, okay, I think I'm talking too much now. Now let's talk about how you can actually get your 4,000 watch hour using shorts. So guys, a lot of us don't know that you can actually, whenever you make your long form videos, you can create a sneak peek, like the most interesting parts. I don't know how to put it, because what even made me talk about this, I was watching the particular shot of this particular lady. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be allowed to put it on the screen. If not, I might just talk about it and not put it on the screen. And guess what, guys? She linked me, I had to click on it. There's a way that you can actually upload your shorts, and then you see that part when you're uploading your short. If you're scrolling down, there's a part that says related video. So you just post that video relating to the short. That's why the shorts you'll be posting, make sure that you ask them. Because some people just watch shorts, they don't know that they can actually click on the link below. Not everybody know. You can assume that, they should know. Some of us even just, post short and then we just attach the link without telling them that, okay, click on the link. Some people don't know they have to click on any link. Not everybody is well versed in this YouTube space. Some are just scrolling on YouTube unless you tell them. That's why it's just the way we tell people to subscribe. Some people don't know they have to subscribe unless you keep telling them, please subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. That is the same way whenever you post a short, you can post a sneak peek. It's just like when there's a movie, like when a movie is out right now, a long form movie, they can actually post something like trailer. So through that trailer, you can direct them, okay, this is the trailer of this particular movie. If you love the trailer and then you want to know more, click on that link. So you can make it short and say, blah, 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 blah. It's just like me now, maybe for example, talking about this, my YouTube growth, for example, this niche now, then I can make a short video saying, do you know you can actually get your 4,000 watch hour using shorts? If you want to know more, click in the link below. You're actually directing them. This is just an example of me creating a short, like for my own niche. So you can do it according to your niche, according to your video, and make sure that when they click on it, it relates to what the short is saying. Not that when they click on it, it's going to be showing. So guys, my light actually went off, but I just fixed it now. So as I was saying, make sure that the short you're actually posting is related, because if it's not related, you can also be harming your channel. You need to take note of that. Imagine posting a short right now saying, okay, you can actually get your 4,000 watch hour using shorts. If you want to know more, click on the link below. And then when they click on the link below, you are now talking about how to get 1,000 subscribers. That's not actually relating. So when they click and they're like, did she say it in the middle of the video? Let me scroll. And then they're actually scrolling. And they could not, for them even skipping your videos, it's harming your average view duration. It's harming your channel, your view retention. So, for them skipping is actually harming your channel view duration. So it will not be best. Or some of them might just even click away. So imagine when they click and they click away, it is harming the algorithm. So make sure the shorts you're using, make sure it tallies with the video you are relating. Don't just relate any video. Some of us just post short and then we just relate any video to it. Don't just do that, because when they click thinking, maybe this is a video relating to this, and then they just click on it, they might click out and it will make the algorithm stop pushing out your content. I hope you guys actually understand. So now record that shot. This is how you can maximize the views you are getting from your short. Maximize it effectively. Because some of you will say, oh, I'm getting views in my short, but I'm not getting views in my long form videos. This is how you can make use of it. Since the YouTube algorithm is pushing out your short, make a short, giving a sneak peek, then direct them to watch the related video. I hope this is actually fully understood. And if there's any question, anything at all you want to ask me, please do what to ask in the comment section. I'm going to be right there answering all of your questions. And now we are done with that. So if you're not interested in seeing the pregnancy test, you can then go. Not go. Is that disrespectful? Okay, you can please leave, I'm trying not to sound rude. Yeah, so that is if you're not interested. But if you're interested, so by the way, guys, I'm carrying my baby, so I cannot really use my two hands. So I'm going to be trying to use one hand. Okay. So this is the pregnancy strip I'm actually going to be using. Yeah, I'm anxious in a way. I'm kind of anxious. I'm anxious. Yes, I'm anxious because I've been feeling down for some time now, and I've been worried. I've said, okay, I want to take this pregnancy test. But I said, I wanted to take it behind the camera, but I said, no, I need to document it. I was not able to document it during my child's time. So I'm going to be going and coming back, I have to you have to use your urine, but I will not be showing all of that in this camera just to avoid TMI. Yes, and I know how it can be disgusting, right? So I'll not be showing that in camera. I'll just be showing you guys the result. Yeah. So now let me go. Okay, guys. So I've done that. So I want to cut it now. I've gone to urinate. So I'm curious. I am anxious. Well, am I scared? Yes, somehow, because I remember when I wanted to give it to my baby, I was like, what is this? I've forgotten how using a test strip looked like. Oh, wow. So this is it. You can see it is new, never been used. So let me figure out how to use it. So they say when it's showing 2 lines, it is positive, and when it's showing 1 line, it is negative. When it's not showing any line at all, it is invalid. But did they say how long? Okay, read results in 5 minutes. So that's what is written here. Read results in 5 minutes. So you can see right now it's not showing any line at all. It's not showing any line. Oh my God. Oh my Jesus. I just dipped it in. Like I said, I don't want to be showing that in the camera, just to avoid TMI. I'm scared because my baby is just too, oh my God. 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 I used to see those people that actually say, having a baby under 2. Oh. I saw one woman. She has 3 babies under 3. Hey, Jesus. All her babies, 3 babies under 3. I think we all know her. That's Mama Dinah Ekweme. Yes. Mama Dinah Ekweme. She's a very popular Port Harcourt YouTuber. Okay, so let's see. So because I don't just want to leave you guys hanging for 5 minutes, I'm gonna cut and then show you guys the results. So let's see. Okay, we can clearly see it is 1 line. Oh, wow. Well, not bad. Well, am I relieved? Yes, because I was thinking that, could it be pregnancy? By the way, if you're still thinking 1 line means negative, like I said earlier, 2 lines means positive. So, I am not pregnant. I'm happy, I'm excited. So, yeah, I'm excited because I have a lot on my plate right now. I don't think this is the time, but if God says it is, then who am I to say no? So, yeah, so thankfully it is negative, meaning There's still time for baby girl to do the baby girl life. So thank you guys for staying. Thank you for watching. Yeah, regardless of the outcome, I would still post this because before I was saying if it's positive, I'll post it. If it's negative, I will not post it. I'll just stop at the beginning part of how you can actually use your shorts to get your 1,000, your 4,000 watch hour. But regardless of the condition, like I already see you guys as family, right? So it's nothing. Even though it's negative, I'll still post it regardless. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying. Please do want to hit on the subscribe button. It's your girl and with Nneka. By the way, guys, I am trying something out on a channel, on a new channel, a brand new channel. I'm trying it out. I'm trying to give it like some days, maybe like 2 or 3 more days. Is regarding watch hour. It has been working so far. So, but then I still want to test it out for 2 or 3 more days. So once I see the results, I will come right here to share it with you guys and let you guys know how you can actually do it for yourself to be able to get your 4,000 watch hour. You know, before coming right here to say it, I need to test it out. Before I come here and say something and then it's not working or maybe it is reducing, stuff like that. That's the more reason I'm waiting for 2 or 3 more days to see if it will not reduce. If the watch hour is not reducing, if everything is working well, if it's going fine, then I'll definitely come back right here to make the video. But if it is reducing, I would not be talking about it. So now let's just wait for 2 or 3 more days and wait for the banger. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please do want to hit on the subscribe button. Do what to like. You guys don't used to like. You guys don't used to like my videos. Why? What have I done to you? Just like. In fact, then let me tell you something. I prefer likes to subscribe, safe. If they say choose one, like, subscribe, I prefer like. So please like my video. Thank you so much. I love you.